Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Forms on your phone, use the app or a mobile browser. Sign in with the Google account you want. This saves responses to Drive. Once signed in, tap the plus button to create a new blank form or select a template to speed things up. Make sure to name the form right away so autosave keeps it organized. This first step sets the foundation. It ensures questions and responses stay synced across your devices. Now you'll build the body. Tap to add a question and pick the type: multiple choice, short answer, drop-down, or file upload. Once done, make questions required when needed and add descriptions for clarity. To guide respondents, create sections and use go to section based on answer for conditional flows. This lets you show different questions by response. Make sure to preview often. It reveals how logic plays out on mobile. This middle stage defines respondent experience and data quality. Finish by reviewing settings. Toggle collect email addresses, limit to one response, and allow edit after submit when appropriate. Once done, preview the form and then tap send to share via link, email, or embed. Shorten the link for easy typing. If people can't access it, check form permissions and link sharing, confirm your mobile internet, and clear the app cache if needed. If a field misbehaves, edit the question and retest. Then push the updated link so responses remain consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.